Teaching kids about God's grace can be done in so many ways. This time, we used water refraction. You can follow along in the skit that we have in our other resources. Here, we have God and we have sin. And we are pointed to God because when God created us, He created us to be with Him. But we choose to sin and turn away from God. And it's only by His grace that we can be turned back. It's not through our works or suffering or the law. It's only by His grace. And once we've explained that to the children and they understand what the true definition of grace is, we pour water into the vase, it refracts the arrow, and we're pointed back to God. Remember to test this out before you do it. If you're doing this in a big class, not everybody will be able to see because they'll be sitting at different angles. So the best way to do this would be to have a live camera or a pre-recorded video. Enjoy!